What you are seeing is the printing of the first 3D model of a molecule's motion over time. The 3D printer builds models layer by layer. Here we see a model of a molecule that is found in many Streptococcus or strep bacteria. The motion it displays is the time-lapse movement of the molecule as it goes from an inactive state to an active state. Once a model is printed and cleaned, scientists can study its motion to make new discoveries about how a molecule's movement affects particular disease processes. Then scientists can work with doctors to improve treatment for these diseases. Dr. William Ray and his team in the Research Institute at Nationwide Children's Hospital are the first known group to study molecular motion using time-lapse images on their computer screens and now in physical models. Currently, they are using this technology to study molecules involved in a viral infection called RSV. This could transform the treatment of patients with this common childhood illness, potentially even making the virus totally harmless.